So you've just bought a brand new snorkel or dive mask and you're ready to hit the water. Before you do though, there's one really important step to do, otherwise your mask is going to fog up like crazy. From the factory, new masks have a lightly oily residue on the inside from the manufacturing process, and if you don't remove it, no amount of anti-fog is going to fix that. It's going to keep fogging up. Now the easiest and most effective way to remove it is with toothpaste. Just make sure it's a non-gel and non-whitening toothpaste. So first just take off any of the stickers that are on the goggles, and then on the inside just put a small dollop similar to what you'd put on your toothbrush, and then with a bit of water and using only your finger, rub this in thoroughly for a few minutes. And you just want to use your finger, make sure you're not using anything like a sponge or a scourer or anything that's abrasive, so you don't risk scratching the lens. Just working that in. So I can then rinse it in some fresh water, get all that toothpaste out. So I've only done one side now just so I can show you how effective it is. That's the side I haven't done. You can kind of see a little bit of fogging where I haven't got all the way around the edges. So once I've done the other side, that factory coating is removed, but then there's one final step to do before you jump in the water. All right, we're out on the water now, about to jump in for a snorkel. But before we do that, and even though we've done that pre-treatment, we still need to give it a bit of anti-fog treatment. Now you can buy a commercial anti-fog spray, but there's an option that works just as well, and it's free and you'll always have it with you. And that is to spit in the lenses and rub it around. A little bit gross, I know. Rub that around, and the saliva's got an enzyme in there that helps stop it fogging up. Give it a quick rinse, don't wash it all out, and you're good to go. Happy snorkeling.